Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Matthews to near Federalsburg to near Vienna, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Milford, Seaford, Denton, Millsboro, Laurel, Harrington, Federalsburg, Milton, Ridgeville, Delmer, Delindale, Gumboro, Smithville, Agner, Andrewsville, Harmony, Matthews, Sycamore, and Griffith. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, and Talbot.